Ram Madhvani's crime thriller Arya starring Sushmita Sen is one of the India's most loved web series, and now the show is set to return with its second season. Owing to its rapt storytelling, the series also bagged a nomination at the International Emmy Awards this year. Earlier, the teaser of Sushmita Sen's ferocious look set the internet ablaze in the motion poster of Arya 2 that left the audience raving as it shows Sushmita pointing a gun at her target from a chopper. Sushmita took to her Instagram handle to share the poster. She wrote, "Trailer coming, Arya 2, the Sherni is back, sabko batao." There are moments from every shoot that stay with an actor and linger on their minds. Sharing one such incident from Arya 2, Sushmita said, "As we move along in this journey of showing and telling people the making and the process, eventually you are going to find many of those incidents on record. Well, there is particular scene we shot at a helipad in Jaipur. This scene had a formulation. The scene in question was a 24-minute long take that was shot in one go and with a lot of variations." The actress added, "It was a very important sequence for season 2. You would be aware that in Rajasthan it does not rain off season, but just at the end of every 24-minute long take it thundered and it rained just for us. We got this amazing background score, and our director Ram Madhvani, who loves environmental sounds, said it could not have been better. So this is the high point for Arya for all of us, and that particular day remains a very memorable one for us." Arya marked Sushmita Sen's digital debut, as it also saw Neerja director Ram Madhvani making his foray into the web space. The trailer of the second season will be unveiled on November 25. Sushmita recently celebrated her 46th birthday, and on her birthday the actress opened up about her surgery. Sushmita shared a silhouette picture of herself and penned a long note along with it. The actress wrote, "Birthday girl, a big thank you to all of you super generous and loving souls. Unending showering of good wishes and blessings coming my way, making this birthday yet another one to be cherished. I feel reborn this birthday in more ways than I can describe in words. Letting you in on a little secret, I completed Arya 2 and then traveled to address my health. Had a successful surgery on 16th November and I am healing marvelously every passing day in this beautiful place. I feel the goodness of all your energies and the strength of your love. Keep it coming." My 46th birthday marks a healthy new beginning, also sports a new look. Lots to look forward to. After all, the greatest gift is being alive. After sharing this post, Sushmita also came live on Instagram. In the video, Sush shared that everything in her surgery went well and that she is currently in the healing phase.
Hey guys, again without a warning, here I am live. Just wanted to say a big shout out and a big thank you from the bottom of my heart for sending me the loveliest vibe and healing energy that God knows I need. I am just taking a moment to show you the new me. This is the new me, and lots to actually share with you on so many fronts, but that can wait. Today it's only about just saying gratitude for always being such an incredible part of my life and for being such a source of strength. You guys, thank you for making my 46th birthday absolutely amazing. I know when I posted about the surgery, a lot of you panicked. I'm fine, okay? If I wasn't, I would tell you. So just have faith that I will always keep you informed when things have to be kept informed, okay? You don't have to worry about it. And by God's grace, everything went really well. Healing is on, and that'll take some time, but I will be back before you know it. So happy birthday to me, and thank you so much for all the love. I hope you like my new hair. Au revoir. Love you guys. Bye. As always,